Welcome to the Monday vlog. As I said yesterday, like Monday will be a little different. It is a little different. But today I woke up at 8:30, watered the plants. Left Luca out, let him play for some time. In kitchen, there were a lot of things to do. First was I had to wash yesterday's utensils. Because if you see yesterday's video, I actually didn't wash the utensils as I was planning to do it before sleeping. I didn't do it, so I had to wash all the utensils this morning. Then again I had to clean the kitchen counter. By that time, Luca was outside. I checked him. I jumped on this puddle, so he's all wet. And he was calling for me at the front gate. And he ran. He went. He was lost for almost half hour. I couldn't find him where he was. I went down. Did he fall? Oh no. I went on terrace. I again went down, took keys and opened the gate. Kundus, you ran again? Then I saw he went behind. Come. And probably he was trying to eat some snails. This is third time he had ran in past 2 months. I don't know why, maybe snails or something he tried to catch. I found him. He's all dirty. I brought him up again, tired. Because of all the running around and here and there, I was sweating. I had to take bath. I took bath. I got dressed. I scrolled on phone for some time. It's part of my job to scroll on phone to see trending things. What's working, what's not working, checked analytics. Because I make videos, I have to see what I can use for my work. Then after getting dressed, kitchen was clean. I was also clean and I made some food. I started preparing food. Usually I'll have bread or batter at home, so I can use it as this. So I didn't had it, so I just boiled the eggs. I chopped all the vegetables. I am going to eat this now. I have kept some for later. Look at this. This is like cabbage, egg, cucumber and tomato and some spices on top. I have prepared one more batch which I will eat later without the eggs, since if I buy atta or if I buy bread or if I buy batter, I can use it. I also made coffee. After 6 days, I am drinking coffee today. I was just checking, like without coffee, can I operate well? And actually, it was really good. Even today, I don't feel much after drinking coffee, like the hit or the rush. I also made lemonade. I made 2 batch, one to drink now. I already drank, so it helps me to clear my gut. And 1 batch I have kept in fridge, which I will drink when I come back. There is more milk here, which I will use later. Now I will finish my food, and then the reason why I got dressed is to go to DMart. Now I won't be doing my entire shopping in DMart, but there are few things which I can't buy online on DMart app. I have 15 things in the app added right now, in my cart right now, which I need. Today I'll just buy some things which they don't sell online, like the loose packet stuff. I don't have soybean, I don't have peanuts. Also, they don't sell milk online, and paneer. Paneer offers, the best offers are in the shop. So for few things, I have to go to the DMart, actual DMart. And since it's Monday, this is the best time to go early morning. 10:30ish around they'll open the shop. They already start working by morning 6. They'll stock everything and it will be all empty by 12:30 or 1 p.m. I like to shop like a little slow. So this is my slow morning of Monday. So for now, I will just enjoy my food. Once I'm done with food, I will go out. By the time I have my food, I'm also checking all the messages. I have to check with a brand for the video which I already made. It's ready. It's been a week. It's just sitting in my PC. Laptop. And there's another one. This is like one travel company, and they just want to me to publish a post with their website. This is the time when I check all the messages, emails, everything personal stuff. It's hot outside. That's why it's good that I'm wearing white. Always carry your bag or they'll charge 19 to 20 rupees. Let's go. It was raining yesterday night. I just parked my bike and there's RTO picking up. Just going to check if there is a no parking board near my bike. So I directly talked with the RTO officer. No parking on both sides of the street. That's like a new change. So they will be collecting entire side, both sides. The Sunday there's so much crowd. Local. Came back from DMart and there are really some cool revelations or some new things I found. I'll tell them. Let me fix this on my tripod. Things I found is first, like it's still crowded, even though it's Monday afternoon, it's still crowded. And second is some prices are very different what they are showing online. This was at least 100 rupees expensive on online. I'm not sure, I'm telling you exact price. I'll put screenshot that, and I bought it for like a very less price than what's online. Let me show my bill. So I bought this raisins for just 150 rupees. Okay, I bought this for 150 rupees. And online it was something different. On DMart's own app. Oh, Lukachi. Hi. Missed me, obviously. He's dried now. You can roam. You didn't finish your milk. Then, other thing I like from DMart is milk. And the main reason I buy milk from DMart is they are selling way below MRP. If I go to local shop, 30 rupees of milk they are selling for 37 rupees. How a middle class man can afford it if he is paying 7 to 15 rupees extra every day? Curd, obviously 1 kg pack, very affordable. And then other thing I bought is this. Online this they were not selling, so I had to buy this. Also, whole grain, no maida bread. The MRP is 55 rupees, but I got it for 49. Okay. And I know, usually I'll think of buying things through Swiggy or Instamart or Zepto. But lately I found like they are adding ridiculous charges. And the main reason for to go DMart was this, peanuts. Even in local shops in Chennai, they won't give the open peanuts, like loose peanuts. So there I get to buy it, and peanut is expensive, so I can go and get it. This was the main reason. My peanuts are almost finished. Other things which I need, all are in DMart cart, and I have to place order, so I'll get them tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'm fine if they come even after 2-3 days, but usually they'll deliver within a day. That was the DMart shopping I did right now. Here's our kitty. I won't be changing because this is like cold. Not cold, but this feels cool, not too warm. It's thin cloth, it's 100% cotton, comfortable. And before going, I kept 1 glass of lemon for me, lemonade, which is here. Oh, I have to mix it once. Luca, I gave you milk, I gave you egg. You have everything. Don't look at me like that. Now, before I begin my office work, I have to make sure to publish the YouTube video. I also have to figure out to arrange call between two brands. I'll prepare better plan for you guys if anyone is curious like how I plan and do things around my work, personal life and YouTube and Instagram, how to manage it. I know it well in my head. I know people do make videos like how to manage this Notion, that everything, generate content ideas. They are mostly the same repetitive stuff everyone is making and telling. I have my own way of making it and I know it works. This is also from DMart I bought because the fan makes a lot of noise and then the audio is not good enough for making a video. So I have this small fan. If I turn on the AC and connect it to this power output, it's like giving air. Okay. I have to wash my face. I didn't wash hands or legs. I'll go and get clean up first. And I also use this same fan in kitchen when I'm cooking because in my kitchen there is no fan or AC. So I just keep it around down from my back to avoid sweating because I used to avoid going in kitchen in afternoon just because I will start sweating. This fan has saved my life. Meanwhile, I'm working. Lokan, it's cuddling and scratches, and he is inviting me to like, come, please stop working. Okay, enough, Luka. Enough. Ah. No biting. Go. Go. Good boy. Go. 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 Fatty. Ah. So the whole wheat bread which I bought, I'm using it. I'll make omelette and use the dressing which I prepared this morning. I have worked for like 2-3 hours at least. It's like almost 5, and this is the food. Today, gym might be skipped or I'll go late because the US time just changed. So they have the time saving hour something. So every 6 or 8 months they like move by 1 hour or move back by 1 hour. So our meeting is changed. Because of that, I'm not sure like when I will be attending meeting. So and anyway, I went on weekend. I went Saturday. I went Sunday for gym. One day I need rest. Maybe Monday is the best way to have rest day for your workout because you are already doing other things. But who knows? I might still go. Now I'll take some break from work and I'll watch something like my The Wire. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 din, 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 din. It's almost 7:20 and I finished my work. Now I just have to wait for the meeting. Once I sit here, very rarely happens that I finish entire work and get up. But today I actually did it. I don't know how it happened. It worked so good. I think so. It took me 5-6 hours. Another hour will be meeting, and after meeting also I will have discussion with my another colleague who is in Delhi right now, and we will plan the work for next day. 3-4 hours more. That's how it will go. But the day is not finished yet. I have still another hour for the meeting. Since there is very little time for my meeting, I can't go to gym and come back and take bath and work out and everything. So I just thought I'll let some points. I keep notes here. So whatever I need, I have added everything in the notes. And yeah. So in 20-30 minutes my meeting will start. And maybe after meeting if I feel good then I'll go. Because as I said, Saturday, Sunday I already went to gym. Monday is like trying to get into the work routine. Fingers crossed. I hope I go to the gym. And our plan was to watch The Dark Knight Rises. I completely forgot about it. We were supposed to see movie today along with doing all the stuff. So definitely before sleep, I'll do one thing. I'll try to too much. we, we, no promises yet, but we should definitely watch the movie today. Ah. The meeting was really good. The Monday meetings are the best. I see entire team after a long time. I actually can't watch movie today because I have work to do. So tomorrow for sure. Tomorrow we will definitely try to watch the movie. If you like this video, hit like button, do subscribe. Let me know if you are interested to watch this kind of video. I know this is just the third video, but I'm planning to do it more as much as possible. So let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching, and I just cook something quick. I won't shoot because I have work to do. This is how I have to manage on the work days. So yeah, say tata luka to everyone. Good night everyone. See you guys.